If you want your PowerPoint presentation to repeat automatically, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make PowerPoint loop in just a few simple steps. This is perfect for kiosks, trade shows, waiting rooms, class presentations, or anytime you want your slides to keep playing without stopping. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the Slideshow tab at the top of the screen. This is where all of your Slideshow playback settings are located, including the options that control how your presentation starts, runs, and repeats. Once you're on the Slideshow tab, look for the Set Up Slideshow button and click it. This will open a settings window that gives you more control over how your presentation behaves when you present it. Inside the setup window, you'll see several options, but the one you want is the checkbox that says loop continuously until ESC. Go ahead and check that box. This tells PowerPoint to keep restarting the slideshow after the last slide finishes, so your presentation will repeat over and over until you manually stop it. After selecting that option, click OK to save your changes. That's it. Your PowerPoint is now set to loop automatically during slideshow mode. Now, when you start the presentation, it will continue cycling through the slides without ending, which is especially useful if you're using it for a display or unattended presentation. And if you ever want to stop the loop, just press the escape key on your keyboard. So to recap, go to the Slideshow tab, click Set Up Slideshow, check Loop Continuously until Escape, and click OK. In just a few seconds, your PowerPoint presentation will repeat automatically. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.